Suspension part of the 2021 Accord build. Ryan is getting it broke down right now. It is getting, let's say, the Tein Coilovers and SPC front lower ball joints that are adjustable to get the camber back corrected, along with rear adjustable camber arms for the back. It's the same for the newer Civic as it is the Accord. Actually, I believe the SPC part numbers are the same. But yeah, I'll get these fronts broke down and I'll get a closer shot of the car.
But it looks like a lot of space now, but as soon as you add stuff in, there's going to be some packaging issues. So that's why I came by to talk to Greg and see.
Alright, here's a look at the front. You can see on these, just like the newer Civics, instead of like the older style, they have a bolt-in ball joint, which greatly simplifies it. You don't have to press out a ball joint, you just unbolt it, put the new one in, and replace the strut assembly with the new Tein assembly. This is the SPC unit right here. These are the rear assemblies. This is the rear control arm. Again, it's an SPC part with the adjustment on one end to be able to pull the camber back into spec. Here's a perk to the newer cars. The strut assemblies actually unbolt without going through the trunk. So we've got the driver's side here all lined up, ready to get bolted back in.
Ovation.